Cancer before the election, before 2026, next year we will complete the hospital, and we'll see how at the earliest with Tata Memorial, we have put a structure in place, because we have to have an arrangement with Tata Memorial Alliance, which is already there on paper. We have signed a preliminary MOU for the OPDs. We have to now take that your respective MOU. We have to make it and formalize it. Along with, there will be members from Tata Memorial, and there will be limited political interference, and it will be an autonomous, semi-autonomous body and a sort of a trust type of structure under the state government, which will be monitored, and so that we can get the best of medicines under confidentiality pricing. Also, we are now trying our best to see that we can pass on the benefit to the consumer. Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has brought a landmark reforms in terms of reduction of GST and transformation of the GST new policy. Healthcare is getting tremendous amount of benefits, medicines and several other things. Same way, Tata Memorial, with the large volumes that they procure, that rate will be applicable to the state government. So we'll be having tremendous amount of savings, and we'll be in a position to procure the best of medicines for the people of the state of Goa, and this is all with the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister.
So कितली percentage complete झाला आता म्हणल्यार?
एक 30% तुवें धरल्यार जाता न्ही. एकदा स्ट्रक्चर वयला, हांव दर तुमी पळयला दर फावट स्लॅब घालता, हांव मुद्दम वयता, आनी थंय प्रोटोना खातीर आमी वेगळे अरेंजमेंट करून आमी दवरल्या. थंय लिनियॅक 2 लिनियॅक प्लस आनी 2 चे प्रोविजन थंय आसा. म्हणजे सगळे म्हाका दिसता एकदा स्ट्रक्चर जाले, बाकीचे वॉल्स एंड ऑल वील गेट रेडी व्हेरी फास्ट. Along with that will come all the internal infrastructure that is required, and we are putting a monitoring body in place, which we are putting along with the doctors of Tata Memorial, so that the functioning and the work goes as per their standardized guidelines, which are already established, so we are able to monitor it properly.